Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Curved here. Welcome to another tier list video. Today I'm ranking every ride at the theme park called Thorpe Park. Now, let's get into it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, possibly even subscribe. Really help me out, and leave a comment to the algorithm. And now let's get into it. And so our first ride is Rush. Now, Rush. It's an S&S scream and swing. It swings you up and down. That's literally it, and it's pretty good. I do enjoy the ride a lot. My mum hates it. But, yeah. It's great, but not the best. I've forgotten what this ride's called, but I've been on it. I think it's on like the Rocket Express. It's decent, although it is faster than you think. Nemesis Inferno, first big coaster. There will be some footage on screen now of the roller coaster. It's really good. Yeah, it's a banger. But it does make me dizzy, but it has the world's first interlocking corkscrew and the 0G roll, which makes you weightless. So, I think Nemesis Inferno is a great. Store the Ride. I love this thing. Again, footage on the screen now. There are so many near misses on it. There's so many near misses. Plus you have that beyond vertical drop after the vertical incline. It's great. It's the best. Zodiac is bad because, well, I saw a girl lose a hat on it. Their fault. But I just didn't like it. The reason is that it's just the same thing as Enterprise at Alton Towers. It's just not good. Darren Brown's Ghost Train, just ridden that. Samurai Shut. Oh no, this is out of date. Oh well. I'll just rank something. Quantum. It's decent. It's a flying carpet sort of thing where it just spins around and round. Airtime, it's great. Tidal Wave. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, most people are gonna hate me for this. Tidal Wave. It's a boat, but it gets you soaking wet. It's the best. It's really good. Detonator. Bombs away. Oh, this is so controversial because I love this ride, but I don't at the same time. It's it's a drop tower which drops you down, and it pushes you down like 7 point something G's. It's great. Depth charge. It's decent, although there's no disabled queue line. There's no disabled queue line. There is no accessible access. There's no fast track. And the queue line's elevated with the ramps that are difficult to climb. Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride I haven't ridden. Flying Fish is the best. How can I say anything else? Colossus! I'll put some footage on the screen of it after the drop. Oh no. The world's first 10 looping roller coaster. But the trains, man, the legroom's so small. legroom is so small, and it gives you a headache after, not because of the ride, because it bangs you around. It bangs your head around in the seat, and that's just uncomfortable. It's okay. It's gonna be the top of the decent. Hold on. Yeah. Now, Logger's Leap. It's okay. It's like okay. It just puts you up and down. Samurai is close, so whatever level it is, I'm gonna have to downgrade it. Right. The ride is always, was always, random. It's a great ride, but because it's now permanently closed, it has to go down the grade. And that makes me sad. Timber Tugboat. It's okay, it's decent. Not too good. It's just your average thing. Oh wait, Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride's a pirate ship. I would put in decent. It's an okay banana boat. Oh yeah, the stealth. Oh, this is a new one. This is another one I've only just ridden. Like Saw. Oh, 0 to 80 in 1.9 seconds. When my mum literally closed her eyes. It's going to go into best. It's the top of the best. Yeah, it's just so good. Oh, the Swarm. I only like it because if you remove the S, you have the warm. Feel warm. The Swarm is great. It does sometimes malfunction, and that's a bit annoying. Rumba Rapid. Oh wait, no. Stealth. There will be some like on-road footage, and the Swarm there will be too. Rumba Rapids. Oh, it's one of the oldest rides at the park, second to Flying Fish. It's a great ride. No, not best, it's great. Haven't been on The Walking Dead. Stormy the Teacup. Whoops. Stormy the Teacup. It's okay. Yeah, it's decent. I'll be next to Colossus. It's a teacup ride. Storm Surge is terrible. Storm Surge is terrible. And the queues are always about an hour, 30 minutes long, just for a few rafts. You have much better luck going over the Rumba Rapids than Storm Surge. Do not go on Storm Surge. Only go on if you want to waste your time. And now Vortex. Vortex is barely ever open, but when it is, it's excellent, so it's great. That's my tier list of all rides at Thorpe Park. Comment down below if you change anything on this. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, possibly even subscribe. Oh whoops. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye. Also, subscribe to my Twitch. Follow my Twitch, twitch.tv/curvedlife. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.